going on? YouTube, my family, and my friends. Here's my Rhinestone collection. I can't even call it a collection because with most collections, it's with stuff that you keep, cherish, and hold on to for value. But my collection, I guess you can say, changes every week because I may have an order and I may use 5,000 stones on one shirt, but then I'll go buy another bag once I run out. That I have one-off bags of colors that I've ordered just once that I've used in most of it, and that's what's left. Got stuff like SS10s, but let's go to these jars. Now this jar right here, this is a 54-ounce jar. And I have, how many of them I got, baby? 7 of those big jars. And some of them are still full. If they're full, that means that it has more than 72,000 rhinestones in it. Check out these blue ones, these cobalt blue ones. And then these are, those are like aquamarine maybe. What's in the next one? Oh, those are my dark cyams. As you can see, the dark cyams are a little bit darker than the... Here, take the top off of that one. No. Oh. Look at those. Those are the red, the light cyams, and those are the dark cyams. Put them side by side for y'all. All right. I gotta sit down. Woo. Then also I have like these. Look how those shine. Those are SS20, so those are a little bigger than these cobalts here, as you can see. Let me just sit that in there. See the size of that, of those cobalts? All right. Moving right along. I also have stuff like these. Or these are, I guess, rhinestone patches. That has the glue on the back. But then I also have smaller diamonds like such. Rhinestones, hot fix backing. And I got stars. Believe those are stars. I've been ordering stones for a long time from different places, y'all. And what are these? More diamonds. Diamond-shaped rhinestones. You got stuff like this. Or those are just diamond-shaped gold pieces with the hot fix glue on the back. I even have stuff like skull heads. AB colored skull heads. Then I have clear colored skull heads. I even got cross studs, hot fix rhine studs. Here goes some more rhine studs. These are SS20 gold, like gold hematite or gold rhine studs. Look at these. But as y'all can see, my girl was trying to say I look like a rhinestone drug lord or something, like I'm part of the rhinestone cartel. Look at these pearl rhine studs right here. Now mind you, y'all, let me go back some. I have a queen size bed, and I've covered the entire bed with this rhinestone collection. And I believe there's still more bottles in there. Look at my studs here. I think these are stars. Look at these. It's a 5-prong or 3-prong or 2-prong star. And it has the prongs on the back end. Oh yeah. Oh, it is a mountain of stones here. Let me see those right there, baby, with the white top. That was right there. Look how those shine, y'all. Now, I've ordered stones from a lot of different places, but as you can see, how they have the gray backing on them. And let me get them other ones over there, baby. Right there. Them. Right behind it. Right behind it. Yep. Now, these have black backing. Now, when you place them on a shirt, these do shine. But those shine a lot better. Side-by-side comparison. Alright. Alright. That's a lot of rhinestones, rhine studs. If you're liking this video so far, smash the like button. And if you would like to know where to buy rhinestones in bulk, I will leave a link in the description down below where you can purchase some of these stones. Look at those. Those are gorgeous. Those are gorgeous. Those are the rhine studs. Now trust me, when they're on a shirt, they look just as good as rhinestones. Alright, I'm about to take a nap, y'all. It's about nap time. I'm gonna have to clean off my bed. I think, how many stones would you say this is?
Too many.
Too many. That's it. That's the count that we have on these stones. Too many. Until we meet again, folks, remember, if you're not subscribed yet, please subscribe to the channel. Also, smash that like button, you know, and I would like to know where everyone else buys their stones from. So you can please leave a comment down below. And I'm out.